Right, well, hello. That's my TL1000s. That's my Suzuki 750 Gixxer. I bought some spares off of a guy, and the reason why I bought them was because there were these two cylinder heads. They've been ported out and got high lift cams in them. So also I've got the rest of the engine, but it had a problem. The big end on one of the cylinders, if you can see that or not, you should be able to, it wipes the big end. So I'm in the process of stripping the engine down, stuck at the moment getting the flywheel off. I bought a bolt which, as you can see, got sheared off. This thread stripped actually. So I bought another one, which is not even tightening that up as tight as I dare after cleaning out the threads. It still won't move. So where we go from here, I don't know. I need to split the engine to put this new crankshaft in. Yes, I know my bench is very untidy. Lots of stuff everywhere, and well, what can you do? You want to make omelettes, you have to break eggs. So that's where I am at the moment. Got a complete gasket set, which cost an arm and a leg, about 120 quid I think it was. Oh, also I've got a fuel tank here, TL1000s petrol tank. Without the pump. I've got a TLS frame and the subframe. The rest of the engine's in that black box down there, underneath the battery charger box. So that's where we are at the moment. Try and get this crankshaft out to get the new one in. I'll have to buy new main bearings because I doubt if those ones in there will be the same as the ones for the new crank that's going to go back in there. Apart from that, it's all good. Oh yeah, that's a picture of me at Brands Hatch last year. And this is Donington Park, and that's Donington Park as well. So yeah, on this old girl. So we'll see what happens.